Hey guys, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas. Today I'm going to be showing you two new sets of releases from Cupcake Polish. First up, we are checking out the Free Spirit Trio, which is a limited edition single batch polish, which means once it sells out, it will not be restocked. And trust me, you guys are going to want to grab these while they are there because they're beautiful. So first up, just so you know, these will be releasing on February 11th, and they will be available for $13 each. So first up, we have Wild and Free. So we're going to start by applying our first coat, and this polish is described as a berry pink nail polish packed with heavy blue shimmer and a kiss of holographic micro glitter. And that description is perfect because that is literally what you're seeing. We're going to apply a second coat here because you can still see through a little bit on the first one, but the second coat is going to bring us up to full coverage. But the blue shimmer in this is so strong that it actually kind of gives off a little purpley vibe, but when you put it next to the purple in this collection, it definitely looks pink and is fabulous. Next up, we have a gorgeous blue polish that is described as an aqua nail polish packed with heavy pink shimmer that shifts to blue and gold with a kiss of holographic micro glitter. And this polish is just absolutely stunning. As you can see, it does have a really nice formula. It applies really nice and evenly. The shimmer in it is very prominent, as is the scattered holographic. And 2 coats is about all you need for this one. The second coat is going to bring you up to full coverage really quickly. And that is it. It's just a beautiful polish that might be my favorite in this little set. It is so kind of mermaidy and I love it. Now, lastly, for this trio, we have a beautiful polish called Wanderer. This is the purple of the trio, and this one is described as a purple nail polish packed with heavy gold shimmer that shifts to green with a kiss of holographic micro glitter. And again, perfect description. We definitely get a warmer tone from the golden shimmer in this one, and this builds up perfectly in 2 coats, and it just has the most beautiful effect on the nail. The holographic is just enough to put it over and it just become very distracting in the best sort of way. Next up, we have a new topper. This one is called a Secret Ingredient, and this is not limited edition, and it will be in the normal special effect topper range, so you will be able to get this one after February 11th if you can't get it then. Here I'm going to apply 1 coat of it on top of black, and wow, you could totally build this up, I think, in 2 to 3 coats, but like this looks amazing on black. It is described as a special effect topper that combines red, bronze, gold, green, shifting, UP, sister Aurora pigment, and the linear holographic effect that will transform any manicure into a shifty holographic manicure. And that is so accurate. It is absolutely stunning, and I just can't get over how beautiful it is. So there's your final look at all of the polishes that we just talked about for the release dates and all of those details as to which ones you will be able to get for a long amount of time, and the other ones that will be gone fairly quickly will be in the description box below, as well as on today's blog post, which again linked in the description box below. Basically, any information you could need or want will be down there. So be sure to check that out if you were on the search for anything, or if you have any questions, be sure to let me know, and I will get back with you very soon because this release is coming up rather quickly, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys back here tomorrow for another brand new video. Bye!